Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to draw Venn diagram using Microsoft Word. So first off, you come to Insert, you go to Shape. So you want to click on Oval here and you draw your first circle, right? So you could press Ctrl C or you right click and press Copy. Then you paste again, Ctrl V, or you use the right click and paste. So you overlay it here, and you can always use the up and down key on your keyboard to move it left, right, up, down, and whatsoever. So yeah, we need to reduce the opacity. So you highlight whatever it is you want to adjust. So we highlight this, then you come to shape and toggle down the shape style. So you choose one of all these transparent version. Can you see? You can see the behind it with the old dots and stuff. So if I click this, I can literally see through. The next thing, you can always align, align to raise the whole stuff. Insert, shape. So now we're going to place in a rectangle, right? So for this rectangle, it's overlaid it. So all we have to do is we come to shape fill, then click on no fill, then go to outline and let's make it outlined. So the next thing is how to add text. Then we click on drop box or draw text box here. Then you draw a text box here and you type, okay, this is for A, and I come here, sorry, click on it again, shape format, then draw text box. I drag here again at the same time, then write my B, but this time with cap lock. And at the same time, let's assume I had 3 circles. All I have to do is come here, draw my third circle, to overlay it, and at the same time I choose a different color that is transparent. So let's choose this, I guess. So yeah, we can see this. Then to just make this look okay, I'm gonna drag this upwards and kind of expand my circle so it looks better. Then you can always outline, yeah, always outline to, I don't know, so you can see where the old stuff overlap each other and outline. Yeah, so this is one way to do it, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Should, in case you want to expand the drawing, so all you have to do is hold down your control button, then left click, left click, left click, left click on everything you want to adjust. So right click to group it all together. So now that I've clicked group, if I adjust, it adjusts. Okay, I made a mistake there, I didn't adjust the text box, but this is for me to just adjust this. So Control E to put it in the center. So I'm just going to go ahead, join our text box again. So remember, you click on one of these and shape format, then you go to draw text box, then you draw each of your text boxes. A, again, go back, sorry, click on it, shape format, draw text box, then this is our B, then we go again, shape format, draw text box, then this is our C. Yeah, that's all for today guys. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and peace out.